Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see how to use Zoho Writer and replace Microsoft Word in your Mac, Windows or Linux operating system. This one is absolutely free. How to access, how to use, and what is the similarity of Microsoft Word. Let's check it out on my Mac screen. So first of all, just simply open Google and type here Zoho Office Suite. I already added this link in video description. Just simply click here and Zoho Office Suite. Zoho are introducing, look at this here, Zoho Office Suite, including what is it including in Zoho Office Suite? Zoho Writer. Today we will discuss about Zoho Writer, Zoho Sheet, it means Excel sheet, Zoho Show, it means PowerPoint presentation, and Zoho PDF editor. This is the new totally. Microsoft are not providing the services. So today we discuss about the Zoho Writer. I just simply click here Zoho Writer and such kind of collaborative and creative document online as well. You can install the software as offline and access online as well this framework. No need to download. How to access? First of all, you need to create your own Zoho email address. How to create? I already make a video how to create Zoho email address, and afterwards you just simply log in here. Here the features, work and application is also available if you go with here. So Zoho Writer application available for Mac, Windows and Linux as well. Inside the Mac, all the M series and Intel chip as well. So I have in Mac M1, so I just simply click here and install the application, and application look like this. We will see. So this is the application. I just simply click here twice and say continue, install, give the permission to the install, wait couple of seconds, and it's very fast to install. Installation successfully. I just simply delete here, open here app, first application is here, Writer, and I just simply open here and boom, the application is 100% look like same as it is Word, Microsoft Word. All the features is here. Look at this here. Which feature you want to use, insert, files, page setups, view and tools as well. So accordingly you can modify your page and access this application features absolutely free. Here the file, and if you want blank document, so you just simply call it as a blank document. You want save this documents like a demo, tech research, and file is saved in desktop. Afterwards, if you click here, what you want add here, the table, row and column like this table. You can change the design as well from here. Afterwards, you want insert something image, so you just simply upload the image here. Which image you want upload here? So I just simply upload here one of the image, Zoho Writer. This is the YouTube thumbnail, and afterwards you can just simply save as or save file. So the file is a save. Already I created this file in desktop. If I click here twice, so first time I need to give the permission every time. So I just simply click here, open with Writer, so the application or the document is open. Previously document page you can access and open here as well. I just simply say here open, and I will show you one of my resume. I make Microsoft Word, and look at this here. I just simply open here and the resume is open here, and this file is previously I created in Microsoft Word, but without disturbing the file accessing as it is, I am accessing in Microsoft Word. So this is the simple way to access and understand, and that one is a free. Microsoft is not a free, and as it is all the options similar same in Microsoft Word. So this is the simple process to access Zoho Writer in your Mac. You can apply the same process in Windows and Linux operating system and uninstall Microsoft Word today now. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.